I think the music should be fine now. I'm late adopter. How's everybody doing in chat? Nunchaku, now we trade. What's up, Rosh? Amar. Really, like right now, not daily. I forgot to change the thumbnail. DM John, hey, how you doing, man? Jimmy Stevens, hi there. How you doing, man? Amar, BTC bottom. Yeah. Was passiert die Gerald by BTC? CPI super bad, but Supermoon is saving us? Nah. Fundamentals don't matter. Music too loud. Of course it's too loud. There is no stopping the train, guys. There is no stopping the train. Salapak Desi, it's time for profit yet. Maybe, we're gonna see that. So I want to have a big impact. Supermoon, what's happening? Up or down? I think it's up. Let's go. We shall short this market. Nah, we're not shorting today, man. You can't have same CPI short. Long or short? It's gonna be long, guys. Long is right. Join the bears. Nah, Eric, you're on the wrong side, man. You're on the wrong side. Gareth Soloway is in a long to 25-28. Take the info and do with what you want. I don't like Gareth Soloway. He uses Fibonacci. I don't like anybody using Fibonacci, man. Way excellent. 6 hours close in 45 minutes. There is let's see, 4 hourly closed, you know, something like 2 hours ago. 1 hour is gonna close in 45 minutes. There's that. 1 hourly, yeah, 1 hourly looks good. This looks nice for more pumpage. Very nice. I lost $200 in $400 trade earlier. Ooh, good evening, man. How you doing, Mark? How's everybody doing, guys? How's everybody? Are you gonna trade? Let's trade Matic. Now we'll make TLA. Now we'll make it. Guys, I don't know how many of you watched today's video on Bitcoin Daily. We've got the videos up here. Today's Bitcoin Daily video. It can dump more. And if you watch the video, I've been explaining what I'm waiting for. I was waiting for one more dump. Now I explained this by you know, you can see the volume on the move towards downside. It's been very, you know, expanding, slightly expanding a wedge towards downside. There was also some kind of support down here. There's also a trend line that it's not on this chart over here, but the volume has not have a big volume candle, right? So I was waiting for some kind of big volume candle for something to happen, either break on downside, break through upside. Something needs to happen for this, you know, to actually, you know, tell us direction. But while I was looking at this, you know, we are hitting the resistance up here at the top, and there was actually no volume. Now we did get the volume, guys. We did get the volume. And did we get the volume, man? Look at the volume candle up here. So you can see down here how the volume is very low. Volume is very low, but on this move towards the downside there was a huge volume. Not only that, there was a huge volume, but we did not drop through the support down here. You can see the trend line up here. We just went down there. And what happened down here, actually, if you look at RSI, you will see that there was a huge divergence on RSI down here, and it was actually being corrected as well. So there was a huge divergence with a huge volume, and you know, people in the chat were like, hey man, you know, we're going down, stuff like that, right? And I was like, no, we're not going down. I'm looking for the pump right now. And you know, everything is actually playing as it should. So right now I technically think that we are at the bottom and we are gonna find some kind of long. You can see here for next you know, last 5 days we have been going towards the downside. It's not this trend line over here. This on the daily time frame might be something like this up here. There's a nice trend line up here where we're hitting this on the dollar. On the 2-day chart we're also, you know, managing to stay above the you know, head above the water. So you know, all is looking nice so far, and there is no problem actually with the chart up here. We are very close to breaking this towards the upside, and there will be no divergence on the chart over here if we break this towards the upside. So technically this can just continue pumping up. This can technically just continue pumping towards the upside. So I think today is gonna be a long trade on something. I don't know yet what. I haven't been watching the charts. Today I've been actually trying to get replace my monitor. I got 2 monitors up here, and the one on the right side is very dimmed. So you know, the backlight is you know, failing, so the hardware is failing, so I need to replace the monitor. So I went and want to buy the same monitors that I have on the left side, but they didn't have the in store, so I have to, you know, wait for that. But I did buy the triple arm you know, monitor setup, and I put it up, and it was such a bad quality. I had to return it back because it was such a bad quality. So you know, I'm back to, you know, back to scratch. You know, I need to get the monitor arms, get the monitors and everything like that. But you know, that's what I've been basically doing all day while this is, you know, been dumping, pumping, you know. But I haven't been panicking, guys. I haven't been panicking. I've been, you know, just chilling, relaxing, and you know, I haven't felt the urge to trade or anything like that, guys. Like we always say, there will always be other options, there will always be other, you know, possibilities to trade and find a nice stuff. This is my second week of trading, and I'm not doing it right yet, playing it by ear, ideas. Get your TA straight, get your TA straight. Also join TA fans club on the Telegram, and you know, post charts, ask for help. You know, it doesn't matter what you do, you know, you can always get out. I'm always in the Telegram channel, so you know, and you know, we got Mladen there as well, so there's other people that, you know, do know how to do TA, and they can definitely help you out. So you know, don't go through this alone. Let's see up here on the 1 hourly chart. You can see here right now we are getting hitting by this 50 moving average. There's a trend line over here, short-term trend line, of course, trying to break that towards the upside. It does look very nice. This dump down here right now, it's just gonna, you know, blast through towards the upside. At least that's what I'm expecting. I watched the analysis earlier today during my break. Var Hva er klokka? Du kan sitte her hvis du vil, men du kan ikke prate. Du kan ikke være på kamera, ok? I watched the analysis earlier today during my break, spot on TLA, waiting for a little pullback to long. Yeah, maybe we're gonna wait for a pullback. We're gonna check some altcoins. We're definitely not gonna do Bitcoin. I don't know why we're not gonna do Bitcoin, but you know, there's that. Yeah, so let's see what Ethereum. Ethereum is up 4.5. Ethereum is also coming back up there again. Very nice moves up here. There is a resistance line up here that we are right now breaking up here in 38 minutes, which is very nice. We already had this nice pullback up here, so this can technically just continue pumping towards the upside. So maybe we're gonna look at some, you know, some small time frames up here. Look for a, you know, pullback on the small time frames, then, you know, bounce. Yo Nate, how you doing, man? Bitcoin. Bitcoin. Small chance for a little relief rally now. I don't think it's a small chance, but you know, yeah, pretty decent chance. Check Uniswap. What is Uniswap doing? Not much. AV is up 12% right now. Now let's go to the daily charts up here and see, you know, what do we have up here. You know, this already pumped big time. Mana is down big time. Wow, Mana looks nice. Mana is you know, pushed down big time towards downside on the chart. Let's see here 2-day chart up here. There is divergence on 2-day chart. No, there is not divergence on 2-day chart. Well, technically there was divergence on 2-day chart. Technically there was, but this over here right now, it's pulling it back below the 2-day over here. So Mana might be a very nice play up here. Mana might be a very nice play up here. I like Mana for a long up here, give or take. Yeah, it looks very nice. It looks very nice up here, give or take. It looks very nice, very close. Now everything, of course, we are not actually buying, you know, along in this bottom down here, but we're gonna long something up here, right? And then we're gonna put our stop losses very tight. Hopefully this actually continues towards the upside, of course. Are we going to short tomorrow? Because every time we are having conference we pump and tomorrow we dump. Not and maybe, I don't know, but right now I think it's a long time. It's a long play. A little bit unsure how far we're gonna go there, but you know, hit it. I checked that it has been in range trading since May, and it's the exact bottom of range now. Yeah, Theta had this falling wedge up here. Maybe something like this up here right now, give or take. It's been increasing in speed though. It's been increasing in speed. So there was one up here. It's not increasing speed, just doing some random stuff. Yeah, this looks very nice. Do we have divergence on the chart? Yeah, we have divergence on the chart. This 1 hourly chart, 4 hourly chart. There is no divergence on the 4 hourly, but when we are down here, there was big divergence on the 4 hourly chart. Right now, it looks like he wants to climb towards the upside. Looks very good. Might have a small pullback though. Sheesh, I was in heavy, but got stopped out twice, so I gave up and switched to Matic. Speak Norwegian. Hvorfor skal jeg snakke norsk? Hvorfor det? Are we going to short tomorrow? Because every time, yeah. So you're gonna see that painting. I was printing window sills for my boss and missed the dump earlier. Cost me 2 days wages. I have been up FFS. Let's trade Bitcoin. You can see it very clearly on Theta in 1 day chart. Yeah, down here, yeah, it's been just consolidating here for a very, very long time. But you can say the same thing about, for example, Cardano. I think let's go check Cardano right now. Yeah, Cardano is actually pushed below the support down here a little bit. Not a little bit, by a lot actually. Look at Matic, man. Look at Matic go, man. Matic is insane. This nice bottom down here, bouncing off of the support. Look how you blast through here. Support up here, right now getting through here. There's a resistance that needs to be broken up here. Give or take. Yeah, Matic looks wild. Shib long. I mean, everything can be long right now, the way I see it. Everything can be long right now. 34 minutes until we get, 34 minutes until we get the hourly close. Now, if our hourly starts closing above this 50 moving average and the resistance up here, it just might continue pumping towards the upside. So that's what I'm looking right now for. Doing 10x Bitcoin scalping. What ugly dump earlier. Yeah, the dump was ugly, but you know, all you short lovers, we're definitely going to back it down, I'm sure. But we are going up first to make a bigger drop. There is so much fun, guys. There is so much fun. There was one guy in the comments today. I don't know, was it today? Yeah, this guy, Apocalyptus. He said, macro recession, minor capitulation, long-term hodler capitulation, insolvent and illiquid exchanges, countries, governments and banks collapsing and defaulting. But it has to go up because we've gone down enough. Come on, man, this isn't a normal cycle and normal conditions. I think we're close in price and time, but you have to be realistic about macro situation. It's unprecedented, so we might see some unprecedented prices and actions. Because you are saying it has to go up, it will likely go down further than you expect. I don't want to see you caught in a devastating trade, man. And for your audience, you need to be more careful and bring more info beyond just crypto. No, I don't. So, you know, people are like, hey man, it's irresponsible of you, you know, telling your audience that we are gonna go up when the markets are in recession, everything is dropping, everything is crashing, the world is going to end. Guys, world is always going to end. Understand that, you get that, right? 9.1% inflation is not fun. What you have to understand that I am saying that we can go down, or I did say there can be black swan events. I did say that markets are actually quite bad, right? Markets are quite bad. We know everything. We know that recession is there, inflation is up, everything is crashing, everything's getting more expensive, you know, supply chain problems, the wars, this, that, right? There's so much trouble in the world right now, and you know, for normal people, it's hard to see how markets can go up in these kind of conditions. But we are not normal people, you know, we are a little bit more, you know, we've seen stuff like this before, not maybe on this scale, but there has been your problems before. Now you gotta pick some kind of direction, right? We have been bearish when there was need to be bearish, but we also been bullish when there was need to be bullish, right? And right now I think there is need to be bullish and not bearish, right? And is it irresponsible of me to tell my audience that I think this is the bottom, we're gonna go up? I don't think it is. It's my opinion, it's what I think it's gonna happen. I also say, of course, every time that of course this is very common, that world is a very bad place, but it does not mean that we're gonna drop it down more. Now, am I gonna be right or am I gonna be wrong? I don't know, but I cannot go around telling people, guys, we are in recession, the fear is high, we're gonna end down to zero. It just doesn't make any sense, because we are technical analysis, we look what the chart is telling us, and everything right now that we are seeing on the chart indicates this is some kind of the bottom. We are in an accumulation zone. Now if that changes, I will tell you that stuff changed, the metrics changed, there was a black cat, something something got switched up, and right now we are going down. But right now it does not look like we are going down anymore. It does not look like we are down anymore. And not only that, I know, first of all, although everything looks bad, DXY is, right now 107, still pumping like crazy towards the upside, getting a small pullback down here, but we said, sure, it can go down to 110. This doesn't stop Bitcoin from pumping, guys. This doesn't stop from Bitcoin pump, but it can go up to 110. Now look at S&P 500. There is a falling wedge down here, or there was a falling wedge up here. Depends on how you draw it, of course. All right. It might be a falling wedge, right? That's a bullish pattern. That's a bullish pattern. Now this also might be some kind of bigger falling wedge, something like this. Might even be some kind of channel up here, channel towards downside. There's different ways it can actually be that. But the matter of fact is, any kind of channel, any kind of falling wedge, anything that goes down in a very normal, normal way, has more probability towards upside than actually towards downside. Now if if metric does changes, and if we start breaking the support on the downside, that might be bad, but we are not there yet. We are not there yet. So guys, am I irresponsible for telling people I'm bullish? I don't think so, guys. I don't think so. Yes, everything is bad, but what's the saying goes? Everything is the darkest before the sun, right? Oil prices down 30%, inflation would have been at least 15 to 20%. How are oil prices, right now? And this is also, and when it comes to oil prices, it's not something that, wasn't unexpected as well. What is metal and oil price? Oil price is 99 right now. This is not unexpected. When this is around 3rd, 4th March, something like that, right? When we are up here, I said that we are gonna go down, right? I said we are gonna go down. Right now we're hitting some kind of bottom on oil as well, but I said this is gonna go down. I did go up before it goes down, but there is a video. I made a full-fledged video about the oil prices and why I think it's gonna go down. Where is it? The late adopter. FOMC meeting, altcoin season research. Was it a month ago? 2 months ago. 2 months ago, maybe more. Oil or something like that, right? Buffett. Yeah, this one. 3 months ago. One month. Oh my god, I do so many videos, man. There we go. Warren Buffett buying oil. And if you watch this video over here, you'll see my explanation for why I think the oil price is gonna go down, right? Just because, rich people are buying, and this was the most important message in the video, rich people are buying, doesn't mean that, rich people know what they're doing, right? So I said down, this was posted on March 14th, right up here. Still on 14, actually down here, all the way down here. This was posted up here, and I said it's gonna go down. So yeah, it did go down up a little bit after that, but you know this is a long-term plays, of course. This is a long-term plays, of course. Right now it's breaking the trends down, and you know it's going towards downside. So it is going down. It was not unexpected, you know, and we didn't, you know, call this, you know, towards downside based on. Technically, we did, you know, called kind of based on the fundamentals, or you know the FUD and or the shilling of the oil, but oil kind of exploded towards upside up here. And I remember when it was around 150, people are saying that oil is going to go up to 300 right now, up to 300 up here, and I said there's no way this is going to go up to 300, right? So they got everybody hooked on oil right over here. It started kind of going towards up. It's going to go up, it's going to go up, you know. Nope, not going up, it's going down, right? Not unexpected. So when we see something unexpected, you know, and then there was also other reason for why oil was supposed to go up, supposed to go down here, up here. This looks like some kind of, you know, lead in with a double top up here, and right move towards downside, but not unexpected, not unexpected. And the same thing goes for Bitcoin right now, you know. People are saying that it's gonna go down. It's gonna go so much down. It's gonna 15, 10,000. It's gonna go down to 8K. You know, man, are we still in Shiba long position? No, we are not. We exited that position, you know, just before the stream closed. So there is that. Okay, so what we're gonna do right now? We're gonna find something nice to long, and we're gonna long that. I'm thinking long position, but it's gonna take like at least, you know, half an hour more until something happens. So I think we got a little bit time until to find out, you know, what we're gonna do. Matic, you know, it's blasting through towards the sky, so you know Matic can definitely continue pumping just 5%. On the 4 hour, it's trying to blast through all of these moving averages, but this is gonna take at least, you know, 4 hours up here, you know, for to start breaking these levels up here. Now, if you do manage to, you know, get above the, you know, on the 4 hour, above the moving averages up here, and then continue pumping up here after that, this is just gonna explode, guys. It's just gonna explode. This looks very nice, especially on the daily time frame. Like very nice support level up here, bullish engulfing candle. Depends on, of course, 6 hours left on Matic to see how that's actually play out, but it looks very stupidly bullish, bullish. There is a one coin I actually want to check out. It was Cake, because I was thinking a little bit about Cake. Cake is the PancakeSwap, right? If I'm not mistaken, the Cake is PancakeSwap, right? Okay, let's go to PancakeSwap. PancakeSwap. This is Binance stuff, right? Somebody correct me, right? PancakeSwap is a Binance chain, right? The market cap on PancakeSwap is so low, man. It's so low. 40 bucks up here. It's almost driven down pretty much. Yeah, PancakeSwap. So I'm thinking like Binance is not going anywhere. BNB is not going anywhere. This thing over here is not going anywhere, guys. So I think I'm very bullish on PancakeSwap, but we haven't been, you know, nobody's talking about PancakeSwap. Nobody's checking it. Like everybody's talking about Matic and everything else, but nobody's talking about PancakeSwap. Nobody's talking about PancakeSwap. Let's look at a weekly time frame up here. It's just bleeding down like crazy. Right now below 3 bucks. You know, low down here was 0.02. I don't think we're gonna see these kind of levels. You know, that's already 10x up there. And from the all-time high down, it is not 94%. That's fine. I love PancakeSwap. Yeah, BSC chain. Yeah, so you know, this thing is not going anywhere, guys. This thing is not going. But you know, I think it's actually a very good thing that nobody's talking about it. Because once, you know, Binance coin and BNB, you know, starts pumping again, Binance is not going anywhere, guys. Binance is not going anywhere. It's so huge, and the guy that's, you know, leading Binance is, you know, so smart. So but it does look very weak right now. It does look very weak right now. So you can definitely drop down more. So I'm a little bit unsure of whether we're gonna long this right now, but I will keep cake on my radar. Maybe even buy some, you know, dollar cost average, you know, a little bit of cake. You know, everybody should have a little bit of cake. But besides that, and the reason I'm looking at cake right now is not actually to trade it. I am looking at it because I was actually thinking about cake today. And I was like, hey man, what's happening with cake? Why is everybody talking about these, you know, layer 1 protocols, you know, like Matic and Near and stuff like that, but nobody's talking about cake. And I think it's a good thing that nobody's talking about cake, because if they come out with new stuff, this thing is gonna explode, right? Look in the news about inflation chart. Oh yeah, this chart again. We saw this before. Mladen posted this before in the chat. You can see this top right over here right now. We are at, you know, when it comes to volatility and the trend of the inflation, this is the United States inflation rate year-on-year, 1 monthly chart, Bureau of Labor Statistics data, right? And you can see these stops up here, but you can see how nicely we got these 4 touches on this stop up here. Now no chart, you know, hitting the resistance, you know, there is 100% chance to actually, you know, break that on the downside. There is no such thing, right? This can actually both break towards the upside and the downside as well. Now the good thing about this is that it's going very, you know, imagine there are moving averages up here. Imagine there are moving averages up here, right? Right now when it speeds this high fast towards some certain resistance on the chart, there is a lot of resistance there. It's very hard for that to actually break that resistance. Now we are not in a normal time, so this can of course you know, break the resistance towards the upside, but and right now this is 8.6 right now, 8.6 right now, right? It was up at 10 point. This is inflation rate, right? 8.6. So it is actually above it up here a little bit. You know, maybe if you adjust the line a little bit, maybe it's on the dollar and something like that, but you know, it does seem that we might be at some kind of top right now. Nasdaq sell off again in the last trading hour. When the update comes, we are going to be above it. Yeah, but it depends. Mulan says that, you know, after the update, after 9.1 update, you know, we will be above the line. We're going to break it when the update comes. Yeah, but it depends, because, you know, you drew the line. Where is the lines? You drew this line, by eye. You know, so you know, it doesn't matter. Maybe there is some kind of wicks up here that, you know, actually, yeah, you know, maybe it is affecting a little bit. Maybe it, you know, once you break, maybe you're gonna come right back down again. Who knows, right? But yeah, we are at resistance. We might be breaking the resistance right now. This might be, you know, the worst that's ever been. This might also be some kind of bottom line up here. Right now we are breaking trend towards the upside. It definitely can happen. Like, it's abnormal times. It's abnormal times. But like you saw in the title, like 9.1 inflation, we don't care, to the moon. Sasha, look at KuCoin top gainer chart, to short to long. Some good fortune to me those are. KuCoin's top chart gainers. Okay, let's go to KuCoin. How do you see top gainers up here? Hot list gainers. GMD, LDO. Nah, I don't want to just trade, you know, these coins. There might definitely be something up there, but you know, they're not necessarily. We are trading on Bybit, so you know, they're not necessarily on Bybit. And in the last 5-10 minutes, we talked, this actually pumped towards the upside, towards the resistance right now. So I think right now it might have a pullback down here, which might be very nice. You know, for us over here. 16 minutes to the close. It doesn't have to, but for hourly, you know, it is above that right now, hitting the resistance up here. So we're gonna see how this actually plays out. Let's see some other charts. Let's try to find some kind of patterns or something that we can that's actually tradable. What did we say that actually looked good? Mana actually looked good. We liked Mana, right? Mana looked nice. Yeah, Mana is actually right now breaking that towards the upside. Up here in a 5-minute chart. It's a rising channel of some kind. Maybe, you know, it depends on how you draw this, but you know, maybe some kind of rising channel. This 5-minute chart. Let's see 1 hourly chart up here. The most important here is this 50 moving average though. This 50 moving average. A little bit extended. It would be nice to buy it down here on the moving averages. Something down there. Let's see how this looks on the 5-minute chart. We're actually we already kind of pulled back down there. And we are just bouncing from that. Megabat, new fiat. Today's supermoon is super buck moon. Yeah, super buck moon. I read that. What are you expecting this pump with inflation news? I didn't care about inflation news. I was expecting you know, either the pump or the dump. I did not actually know. I think because we didn't have if you look at today's Bitcoin, because we did not have the volume on the move, I was expecting some kind of volume. And oftentimes when you get, you know, this very steady slow move towards downside, what does happen is they have this, you know, this you will see down here the volume. You will see down here the volume is actually going down. So oftentimes when it happens in these kind of moves, they, you know, have a big dump towards downside, the volume pops up, and then they retraces towards the other side. Now in our case, we didn't do it actually like that. We went a little bit up first towards the resistance, and then we dumped down, and then we got the volume, but it was still above the support. And I said, yeah, I'm looking for a pump over here, because there was also divergence as well, chart. But you know, usually these kind of moves down here, they have a, you know, some kind of volume came on towards downside, upside, you know, but it might have, you know, oftentimes it does this move towards the upside. So sometimes I find coins via crypto bubbles. Yeah, crypto bubbles is nice, but unfortunately, problem, you know, finding coins, you know, finding coins based on, you know, what's up, what's down, it's not a good way to do. I did that before, long time ago. It's not the way to do it. Finding coins is actually looking at the patterns, guys. You know, you gotta look at the coins, you can look at the patterns, try to find something that's, you know, happening on the chart. And you know, you will be in before they actually you know, something happens. Right now everything is at the resistance up here, but it's so bullish that I dare not short this right now. You can see down here there's a huge divergence, for example, on the Polkadot down here right now. There's huge divergence, and once this pumps towards upside, there will be no divergence on the top. So we are getting this very nice divergence on the downside over here. XRP right now also trying to climb back up there again. Theta higher high up here very nicely. Shiba, let's see Shiba up here. Kind of lackluster move. Chili's heavy pumped like crazy. Waves broke down over here right now. You know. It doesn't have this, you know, strong moves, but you know, 6 hours left. Bottom down here, it can actually pump towards upside. Hit triple bottom down here on the bottom side. Higher high as well. Still day chart closing in 6 hours might get a give or take. When is supermoon coming? Today is the supermoon. Same pattern almost on every coin. Almost on every coin, almost. Almost is the word. Tell us some more about your Shiba long position. Why so quiet about your active trade? There is no active trade. I'm not in a trade right now. See, no trade. Positions, no positions. and we closed the Shiba trade last time with 46 bucks down. It was I actually didn't update the, yeah, we can do it right now. So last time we started at that was at, when was this? We can update this right now. I forgot to update this one. This trade by Shiba. This was this long position or short? Cool. It was long position. Okay, long position, and this start 2021, and we are right now at 1965. Right now we're at 1965, right? So this was, you know, it says 56 bucks up here because, you know, reasons, but you know, 2% down or something like that. 2% down. There we go. So this is updated right now. There we go. 1965 right now down. 470. It's all good, guys. All good. The position was closed, guys. The position was closed. It's still on your screen. Okay. Sorry. I thought not yet in a trade. Sorry. I did not see that. I thought I updated that. Thanks, no sandbox. A good time. Thanks. I don't know about sandbox though. Nah, it does the same thing like everything else, but it did have a fake out towards downside. Now it has resistance up here. It needs to break the resistance, right? No moves before the resistance is broken, guys. No moves before the resistance is broken. Ape breaking the downtrend, retest and ready to pump. Bullish on ape though, bullish on ape. 5.8. This 1 hourly, this 4 hourly time frame. Yeah, it looks nice. So best time to long this down here was, you know, 10 moving average, but you know, we already kind of missed that. We already kind of missed the best, you know, the best entries. Guys, we already missed the best entries, so that there is no, you know, we cannot cry about that because, you know, reasons. We already missed the best time. The best we can hope for is some kind of red candle, you know, that we can jump on and you know, move towards upside. In the meanwhile, all farmers from France, Spain, Ukraine, Russia are being boycotted. Stake your foods, people. And trade it, not in a trade yet. Bitcoin always respect the resistance, but not support. Only bear markets, only bear markets. Dogecoin down here. Look at the Dogecoin. It's been having this nice move up here. They climbed up. It broke the resistance up here though. It broke the resistance, give or take. It broke the resistance up here, then down. Right now back above that resistance. But yeah, I think Dogecoin is a little bit bearish because of the news with Twitter and Elon Musk though. Matic up 7.5. Matic doesn't give an F, man. Matic is just pumping above the resistance up here. Short-term resistance, 1 hourly. 7 minutes left. Matic is crazy, man. Just in this last hour it went up 3.31%. Enter the ship. Personally, I'm 100% out of the market today. I'm giving up on CPI days now. Good evening, legends. Good evening, Vanellasva. How you doing, man? Some haven't missed entries. Ah, good. Some of you haven't missed entries. That's good. But I trade shorts the day before CPI announced. I'm staking cheese whales. A wax cheese wheel can keep a long time. Nice. Like crazy long today. Ooh, nice. Okay, let's try to find something that isn't pumping like crazy though. Let's try to find something that isn't pumping like crazy. So most of these coins has these, you know, these down moves over here right now. I do like Mana. And Mana has, you know, it's up on 2% something like that, but you know, how much more was it down actually today? It was down like 10%. Wow, was this actually down 10% for the day? No, it wasn't. It was down 3% at most. But from CPI numbers, CPI numbers, it fell down like 7% and right now just pumping like crazy. Breaking resistance as well, maybe. Let's see up here, daily 4 hours, let's see 6 hours, just see if we can get more. I'm thinking it's join Shady TF fan club. You're welcome to do so, man, you're welcome to do so. Yeah, Shady TF fan club. Bitcoin 6 hourly time frame with doji at the top, man. Maybe this is just, you know, getting everybody to short, getting everybody long, and then right back down again, right? It can happen that as well, right? We are, although we are breaking certain levels, you know, never say never. It's really hard to long right now because everything pumps so much, man. Everything pump. Tomo didn't pump. Tomo is just dumping like crazy. Waves is also down a lot. GST is just bleeding towards us. I am not touching this with a long, with a 10-foot pole. XMR slowly, slight move towards upside, not much. Might be double bottom down here in Silica right now. Back on fight. Big move towards downside. What I broke the trend right now, going down. Big trend up here. SRAM still pumping. SRAM doesn't care, it's still pumping. I don't know what this is, but you know, it is pumping. You know, so no way I'm buying this for long. There is not much to do, guys. There is not much. It's either short, you know, some scalp short or something like that, or wait for a long position, because right now everything just pump big time, and I'm not kind of guy who's, you know, FOMO in on the red candle, on the green candle, so you know, there is that. We broke the rising wedge on Bitcoin. There is no rising wedge on Bitcoin. Let's see up here. We broke this towards downside, but right now we're recovering from the trend line. Also on 2-day time frame, you can see up here, we're recovering back up there, but I don't see any kind of falling wedge or anything like that. Now this week up here must be taken, you know. This is right now what's happening up here is, you know, if this is correct up here right now, this on 2-day chart, we got a couple of hits down here, you know, up here, down here, and tops up here. So we can maybe do, you know, this move up here and then, you know, actually break towards upside. Bitcoin hit hidden support there. It wasn't hidden support. No, it wasn't hidden support. It was very legit support. We have been talking about the support down here, this line up here, as well on the daily time frame. It wasn't hidden. It was pretty legit support. I mean, you cannot miss this. I mean, look at this up here, the yellow line. You got this trend line up here that we broke right now, back and down, right now coming back above that, and then we hit this support like several times. Very nice support line. I know, bro. Okay, it's tempting pump with Bitcoin same time. Maybe a BART coming. Yeah, seems like a trap. Let's go Solana at 0.60 cents. Nice. Very nice, guys. Very nice. Very nice. Is there any divergence up here? There's coming, you know, some slight divergence up there at the top up here. Might pull down a little bit on the bigger time frames up here, maybe 30-minute chart. You're gonna see that. Moving average up here, a little bit extended, way too extended actually. So yeah, we're not long in this right now. It's like each short from 150 20x. Ouch, man. That's huge. That's huge, man. You shorted down here, man. You shorted the bottom, man. You FOMO shorted the dump, right? Let me guess. You FOMO shorted up here. You were up. You were up by, you know, 42, almost 100%. You were up almost 100%. And after that, you still let it go back against you, man. You still let it go against you. And right now you are down. Right now you are down almost 90%. Are you even liquidated, man? I think this is a liquid. You're very close to liquidation, man. Talk about it, but I saw VG deal crazy rally. What is it up? No clue, man. I did not talk about it. Ace Hunters. No, I short after that on second. For all we can. You shorted on the move up. You shorted the wick up here, or you shorted this move down here. Which it doesn't matter what you shorted. I mean, both of these, you know, this is, you know, moving towards upside. This is coming for the retest on the downside. Have you ever hit jackpot? Nah. Sorry about each short. That's why you take profits as you go. The rising wedge that you draw is pending to go down or not. Why you so say we break up? It's because rising wedges can break towards upside. I messaged games to the Wall Street best to try to get them involved in the little pump to 25,000. They might ignore my tweet. You're doing God's work, man. You're doing God's work. Managed to get 80% today. It's been tough. Volume was down. BTC was going down. Then after some time things changed. Oh, okay. Yeah, consolidation volume does go down. Yeah, it's not easy, man. It's not easy, you know. But props for you for holding. Unfortunately, you know, it's not the move that's right now. So right now we are moving back down to this 50 moving average up here. Might just pump right now over here on the 50 moving average. This is Bitcoin right now. Let's see Ethereum. Ethereum had a lot longer move down there to do. Very close down here to support. Bitcoin's coming down to the 50 moving average as well. Did Bitcoin break this actually? No, not quite. Maybe a little bit. Came to the resistance right now, getting a little bit rejected. Mana. So everything's having a pullback right now, which is very nice. Even this thing up here is having a pullback. Maybe something like this, give or take. Give or take, give or take. Just pumped like loads up here, so people are definitely taking profits up at 11%. I believe in many gods. God don't know crypto. We're in a bear market, it's more likely we go down or not. Nah, bear market is done, we are not in a bear market. We are accumulation phase of the bull market. We are in the accumulation phase of the start of the bull market. Bear market is done. Hope it goes down though. I bet you do. How the hell can we guess where it's going? We are not guessing, man. We are not guessing. Or we are taking professional guesses, you know. We are taking professional guesses. When bro Sasha is in bad mood, he ignores my comments. I did not see your comments, man. I did not see your comments. What do you say? Sasha, you're longing anti at the moment, for example, on Qcoin. No, I'm not. I am not longing anything right now. I mean, just, you know, yesterday I was at, you know, theme park with the kids, got very, very tired, couldn't stream. Today I was, you know, doing this, you know, triple R monitor setup stuff, you know, that failed. had to return the stuff back, you know. So nah, I'm just you know chilling. I'm just chilling, no problem. Let me just quickly go over all of the coins and see, like, you know, do we see anything that, you know, might be very interesting up here. So on the SRAM is pumping like crazy though. Let's go to 4-hourly time frame, a little big time frames. This looks actually very nice, but you know, are we gonna get the same kind of pullback down here? I don't know about that. You know, expanding wedge towards the upside. It's 5-minute chart, like who cares about the expanding wedge on the upside? But there's the verse on the hourly chart. Let's go, let's move on. ICP. Oh, ICP looks juicy. Resistance, falling wedge. Now of course if you are very bearish, we're gonna of course break this towards downside, but you know daily just sitting below the 50 moving average after doing a giant move towards the upside. At least we got a falling wedge on the ICP, so you know if this goes down, then might, you know. Let's use purple. FTX. Some kind of range up here. Drop. Betting on a trend change up here. Tron up here. I'm not quite sure what's happening with Tron, so I don't think we're gonna look at Tron that much. Zilliqa is nice move towards downside, same as Bitcoin. Could have another move towards that. I think everybody got super, you know, super bullish right now, so we could have a, like, you know, a decent pullback. Bitcoin volatile in short TF. It's 2 food meat, Jimmy. US 30 is dropping. Did you dump the broken monitor? I did not dump the broken monitor yet. It's my right monitor is still, you know, very dimmed, so I need to dump it. I wanted to buy 2 monitors today, but they didn't have it in store, so I need to order it online. So I need to wait for it. Short TLA. Short it right now. Not sure about that. Let me just go a little bit through the coins up here, what they have, to see, you know, see if there is anything like ICP does have a nice, you know, falling wedge up here, which is a, you know, very tradable pattern. Unfortunately, I'm a little bit unsure how, you know, bullish ICP is. Sushi didn't fall down that much. Sushi has an interesting pattern up here happening though. Give or take, maybe in this on the bottom side down here. But this is a long-term pattern, this is a short-term pattern up here. Let's remove the moving averages up here a little bit. I just removed them. Let's go to 1 hourly time frame up here. Yeah, this seems very nice though. We got some kind of supports. Let's see 4 hourly time frame where the supports are at. All the way up there. And 20 moving average. I'm hitting the resistance up here though. So look at the sample at 50 MI. Sushi might be, you know, some kind of long position down here on the 50 moving average down here if it gets down there, back there again. Let me just see small time frames up here. It's very slightly, you know, upwards. Yeah, that pump was just to stop short positions. It might be, you know, the pump might be a fake pump as well, you know, you never know, but the way I see it, I'm not quite on the bear wagon just yet. I'm not quite on the bear wagon just yet. The support line down here is very nice. People as well hit the support down there. 1, 2. This needs to break this up here, or else this is actually doomed. LTC. No, we're not touching LTC. LRC. No recover. The chain link. Kyber network just broke towards the upside, big move towards the downside, kind of held up here, trying to climb up there towards the upside again. This looks very nice though. Kyber network down support at 123 at 50 MA. For all, let's see some indicators down here. What are they telling us right now? See daily up here. 2-day chart. No divergence on 2-day chart either. This looks nice though. If it pulls back though, if it pulls back, we're gonna keep on watching the Kyber network. Down here might as well be. So how much is it for, you know, if by this, you know, that's already 1% towards downside. On 1 hour it can go all the way down to, you know, 128. That's a lot. Depends on how low it gets. Depends on how low it gets. Where is this trend line up here? I'm not even sure we can get down there so low. But you know, we're gonna stay for it. We're gonna keep on watching this. Just playing towards us like Gala. Not so anything special. Gala. There is a coin called Gala and there is a coin called Gal. I don't know the difference between these two. Phantom. Nothing special. FitFi. That look bullish. ETC. Down here. This looks like a nice expanding channel towards the upside. Sorry, not expansion towards the upside, just, you know, a random expanding channel. What kind of pattern is this? Expanding channel sideways. Yeah, but it does this move towards downside. Yeah, there was that. Yeah, so this actually looks very nice. The fact that this didn't come all the way down here and hit it like this up here, just come up here. Yeah, this actually looks bullish. It's nice. A very nice moving average on 1 hour time frame. I like this a lot. Down here, all the way down there at 853. Anything in between 856 to 53. We're also gonna keep on watching this as well. What? CRV pumping like crazy, man. Dude, this thing is going flying like a madman towards the upside. 4 hourly, yeah, we're not touching this. Let's move on. It looks like it has the same expanding channel. A lot of these things have this expanding channel down here. It's not actually that good, but see, this one did actually come all the way down when you're looking at on the hourly. It's actually too steep. Let's move on. Please, we're not touching this thing over here. Bit. There is no volume on this thing up here. What kind of weird ass chart is this? How much is bit down from top? 86%. Not that much actually. This is not actually much. I mean, we've seen coins that are down like 95% plus. So you know, there is that. And this didn't, you know, dump big time with Bitcoin as well. Right now coming very close to this. Depends on where you put these lines, but you know, might be some place down here. Let's see here, daily, 4 hourly. Unfortunately, we are not down there anymore. Unfortunately, we're not down here. So anything we have to buy, it's gonna be moving averages support. We are not buying the bottom, so you know, we gotta be careful about it. We're gonna keep on watching this as well. I like the pattern on this thing over here. Yeah, very nice. This 4 hourly pattern is just above all the moving averages. Let's see 1 hourly up here. Maybe if 1 hourly moves back down into this mess up here again, then we can actually long it all the way down, you know, 43, 44. Very nice. Nah, not touching this, not touching that. Altcoin is also looks somewhat nice. It broke the trend though, that's for sure. Altcoin is also bullish. You can see all of these pullbacks right now happening up here, right? These are all nice pullbacks. We're gonna keep on watching Altcoin as well. There we go. Everything right now is having these very nice pullbacks. Not everything was nice, but Eagle. I'm not really a fan of Eagle, and I see the pattern up here. Too much resistance up top. Atom stones. STX is just kind of getting crushed by the moving averages down here, but it did break the trend though. So there's that. It broke the trend right now. It says this, you know, resistance up here, give or take. Pulling back. How much down is that? 2%. This is so volatile. This is so volatile. It looks like it's extended from the moving averages a little bit. It's not extended. No extensions. Bearish cross on the daily. Almost. So 2-day chart, see down here. No divergence either. Yeah, there is slight divergence. STX. Nah, I'm not quite sure about it. I think this might be very low though, but a little bit unsure about how. Yeah, let's not touch that. If you are unsure, let's not touch it. Solana trying to climb near sand. Now sand up here. I think it might be a channel though. I'm a little bit unsure about that, but you know, it might be a channel. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's see 1 hour. 1 hour looks nice. Sand might also be nice long position though. First of all, we're still hitting the resistance up here, so there's that. Give or take, right? So the pullback has to go all the way down there, right? On the 1 hour, that's all the way down to 1-1. because how much down to 1 is it right now? 75, so 7.5% with 10x. Not quite sure about that, but we're gonna keep on watching Sen as well. It might be nice. Any kind of pattern is nice. Uniswap broke this towards up. I got to see how far it looks actually. Cardano. Nothing special. Dogecoin. The waves looks more bearish than bullish, so we're not gonna touch it when it comes to long. AV exploded too much towards the upside. I'm a little bit unsure about the AV. This looks, you know, oversold on the bottom though. But it might be something wrong because, you know, it just keeps on getting rejected by these levels. Chili's is pulling back to 10-20 moving average up here right now. Let's see 4-hourly time frame up here. Huge amount of resistance right above it. GMT, Shiba. Everything might be creating this, you know, inverse head and shoulders pattern right now, right? That might be the case, right? There is an invisible trend line up here, resistance line that we need to break, but you know, we are not quite there yet. See up here as well, something like this. XRP pumping like crazy. These pullbacks. How many? Still 40 minutes left on the hourly time frame. Portfolio gonna reject Matic. Just a slight pullback, nothing, literally nothing. Best case scenario for this thing over here is, you know, all the way down to 55. Are we gonna get all the way down to 55? I mean, unless something big happens, I don't think we're gonna see, you know, 3-4% dump on Matic right now. And Mana up here. Mana is not. I think it looks nice, but you know, there is nothing special about it. So let's sort by symbol up here. There we go. So from what I see, it's gonna be Mana, Sand, Apecoin, Bit, ENS, whatever ENS is, Kyber Network, ICP maybe, Polkadot, not Polkadot, none of these others. There we go. I think it's gonna be one of these coins. So let's see Ethereum. Ethereum is also blasting towards upside right now, pulling back, which is very nice. And Bitcoin is also pulling back, but below the 50 moving average. Still 1 hour left. So there is time. So Metaverse token bullish. Yeah, Metaverse tokens are always bullish. Out of pure sell inches, I say we go with Matic. I know, bro, I entered 2 hours ago. Wave struggles to push above 470. Yeah, the chart kind of looks like, it doesn't look, you know, if everything goes up, it goes up as well, but it doesn't look strong, you know. Privacy coins, Sasha. Nah, we are not into privacy coins. We are into Metaverse NFT. Apecoin will go 5 USD at least, or 50 USD. I don't know, man. Maybe 500 USD. I'm going to open the bookmap and see. Bookmap. Buy your capital as 5 years pays off. Chart looks bullish, news horrible. Okay guys, let's take 5 minutes break until this settles a little bit down. We got a 1 hour at least until the hourly close, and 1 hour and 37 minutes until 4 hourly close. All of the closes are gonna be very important. I think this one right now on the 1 hourly can be very close. Important, I would like to see, at least on these coins that we are following, Mana, Sand, Ape, I would like to see bigger pullbacks. On these pullbacks we might get into something, and hopefully that actually, you know, pumps us to the moon, right? So that's the deal, guys. That's the deal. Well, we missed the ICP though. Bit is bullish, but you know, this doji up on top is not bullish. One is pulling back nicely to the 20 moving average up here. Wow. The words on the bottom down here. Getting the cross. I think it's gonna be mono, guys. Just make sure on the small time frames that we don't have any kind of surprise up here. Push down a little bit more. Still got 25 minutes left, so there is that. Short time, bring a long time bull. Nami is in the chat, I do, man. Bullish engulfing on the 4-hour on Bitcoin. Nah, not yet. Still 1 hour and 25 minutes for bullish engulfing, so you know, it's a long way up there. We already hit this 2 times up here, but we can do this up here. Let's see, 30 minutes closed. 30 minutes can still pull back down a little bit. Down to 19.6. Can pull down more, can pull down more. Mana can pull down more. Sand can pull down more. Ape can pull down more. Bit can definitely pull down more. Hands can pull down more, KNC can pull down more, ICP can pull down a little bit more. Just gotta wait, guys, just gotta wait. What are we waiting right now? I think it's 1 hourly. I'm unsure whether we're gonna come all the way down there though. Support line down here on the 1 hourly time frame. Top up here. And the 10 moving average. Let me see, just 4 hourly. Yeah, a little bit unsure whether this is gonna go our way. One, two, three, 1, 2, 3. You're gonna see that. How big is this flag? D1. 17% up there just for a flag. Join the club, guys. Listen to Michael. Just captain. Can both be good with different positions, so I'm closing me. So choosing me. Mlane, how's your Ethereum short position doing, man? You've been holding that short position for a long time right now, so you know. Mlane has been holding since 19 something like this, from up here. I don't know, did you close down here? That's like, wow, that's like 20% down almost. Yeah, with the week down, that was actually 20% down. Sweet. I closed under 70%. Nice, very nice. 17% down, 10x. That was a 10x position. 17%, yeah, down here. Nice. Mlada had a nice short in from all the way from the top to the bottom. Dancing in 1, 2, 3. Let's see with the beef lady. See the volume on this thing over here. Consolidation volume, nothing especially nothing much happening right now. One hour is gonna be important though. See Altcoin. Nice support. Do I have all these rising wages and everything right now? Yeah, you have rising wages and everything. So if you buy the low down here, if you buy, that this rising wage is gonna explode towards the upside. Be a channel, but over here might be. Are you going to enter some trade? Soon. There is no rush, guys. There is no rush. I'm waiting 11:40 on it for my first and maybe less take profit. Let's see. You want it to go down. You're looking for, yeah, we're looking for a long position. We are looking for a pullback on something. We still got 1 hour left though. 19 minutes left, sorry, not 1 hour, 19 minutes left for a pullback. Depends on, what we get. It can be Mana, Sand, Ape, Bit, ANS, KYC. ANS is pulled back all the way down there. ANS actually looks very nice. What is time there? 8:41 p.m. When you go high in profits of this series, name it hacking the system, it will be a hit. First thing first, we gotta go high. Then we can think about the name. You gotta remind me to remove the 5-minute break stuff. I forget about that all the time. There is slight divergence up here, slight divergence. But if it continues pumping, there will be none. Now, the numbers are bad though. Greenwich GMT +1. Yeah, inflation is going high. I don't like these rising wages though. So, especially in these kind of bearish moments right now. So, a little bit unsure what we're gonna do though. I do want a long, but the more you look at the chart, the more feel you get for. Listen to the fake comes again. Short remarks, yes, do you think I should close? No, I don't know, man. Matt's hitting resistance right now, so what's gonna do, you know, hard to say. We're getting doji on the Matic, so this might actually go down though. Not to Matic, but you know, in general. For only 1 hour and 2 hours closing in 1 hour. I think we can go down more. It's not looking great. I'm waiting for the next 4 hour candle myself. Yeah, 1 hourly candle, 4 hourly candle. Too many people became suddenly bullish after this move towards the upside, so I think it needs to move back a little bit more than that. 19.99 from Ben. Thanks, TLA. You're welcome, Ben. Thanks for the 20 bucks, man. Appreciate it. We already broke the option up here. So if this goes up here, you know, liquidity grab indeed. Could be done here and then, you know, break towards the upside. I think something like that here. Market makes grabbing liquidity. Life-changing money now. Not yet. Soon is life-changing money. When you see good profits, grab it. Smash the likes, guys. Smash the likes for Sasha. It just doesn't want to come that much down though. Nice channel. Need to start streaming a little bit earlier. I think we are looking for longs, but there are these rising wedges right now that are giving me a little bit anxiety. So we need to see how this actually plays out. Right now it's still moved towards downside, so there's that. Bullish engulfing right back down. On the dollar 54. Bouncing and bearish engulfing candle down here on 30-minute chart. Doji right now down there. Some kind of top up here. Creating doji down here, 30-minute chart. You're throwing too many lines. Yeah, I know. Moonland same 32.5. Panther fam. Americans everything up is really bad from stay safe out there. What's up with this stay safe stuff? Probably waiting. Yes, but you're right. Stop talking. Yeah, this is true. That's for sure. It's close to me. Where the trades are running away from an intensive war. Very disappointing. People are not happy with Panther. Mladen, $10 short Bitcoin 50x just for fun. Okay, we're gonna do it a little bit more interesting, guys. Anybody, any super chats coming in right now? In the next 10 minutes, after 1 hourly close, we're gonna short Bitcoin 50x. Any super chats, guys? All super chats. So if you wanna join the, the 50x run, we can do 100x, man. Do you wanna do 100x on Bitcoin? Think Challange Equity Challenge 999 bad boy. So if you wanna, more than $10 is gonna go to 50x short on Bitcoin, but if you guys wanna do, you know, more, you can add to that pot. So you're welcome to super chat now if you want for next 5-10 minutes. There you go, 100x. We're gonna 100x short Bitcoin. No, 50x. 100 is scary. Okay, Milana says 50x, so we're gonna do 50x. It's equals to 125x. There we go. $10, 10x. Now we can only do one trade, you know, but you know, there we go. Just to see you get wrecked. How much is 2CNF? I don't know how much is 2CNF. 2CNF. USDC and CHF. $2, okay. 100x. It's 5 minutes. We're gonna do 50x short on Bitcoin. After on the hourly close. $2, okay. So $2. So we got 10, 20, $22 right now. $22 short on Bitcoin 50x. We're gonna create this doji on top up here, so you know there's that. Sand is pushing again towards the upside up here. Apecoin trying to get up 5-minute charts. 1 hourly. Probably 30 minutes. I think we have time. I mean we can lose the trade, but you know I would like to get it on you know done where I think you know it's gonna be gotten. Bullish engulfing, it's already going breaking towards upside mana. $6 trading we want. Sprechen Sie Deutsch? Sprechen Sie Deutsch? Counteract. Right, I'm going 100 up, 50x to counteract. Okay, let's get ready. Bitcoin. Bitcoin USDT order by cost confirm 50x. Confirm. $22 so far, guys. $22 in super chats right now, going towards a 50x short position on Bitcoin. $2 more, we up to $24. Wait. One hourly creating doji at the top. This is definitely gonna be a short. We can actually short this. Question if Bitcoin will be shorting. You wait signals to go long. No. Like Mana is creating this doji at top, which is quite quite dangerous. Doji at top out here. Sand also has this doji at the top. Maybe we should short everything. Bit also doji at the top on 1 hour. We can 5 minutes left. So it can be scary, but $5 for the legend TL. How much is €5? Oh, it's saying one. Okay, $5 more. How much are we up in right now? 29 bucks. 29 short, 50x. Bitcoin is going up long. €5. Yeah, €5 is $5 right now. For the first time. Deep ENR. How much is ENR? Indian rupees. 40 Indian rupees. One. Half a buck, man. Nice. We're gonna do half a buck. Where is it? Can I do 0.5? Yeah, I can do 0.5. There we go. Make some money, go with the flow. It's already bouncy. It's already had a pullback all the way down to the, Oh man, this is just gonna explode towards the upside. There is no doji, man. There is no doji. 4 minutes left, no doji. This just blazed towards upside. You want to see 1 hour. Everybody into the moon. Čekaj, tebi. Ostreš fina. Keep an eye on negative correlation. Just a second, guys. I forgot to turn on the mic. I forgot to turn off the mic. He's talking with Mark May. No, I was talking with Mom. I need to drive, you know, from the train station. So in half an hour there will be a, you know, a little bit long 5-minute break. Let me give more ENR. It's cheap. How much is that? 100 ENR. 1.2. I'm gonna say 1.5, and we're gonna add that 1.5. Where is that 1.5? Up here. 1.5. That's 3. That's 31. We are up 31 bucks, guys. 31 50x short on Bitcoin right now. As soon as we hit in 5 seconds, guys. 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, we're opening short. There we go. That's 31 bucks cost, blah blah blah. Okay, whatever. Good. There we go. We open the short. 50 bucks, guys. 50 bucks on, no, it's 31 bucks. 50x short on Bitcoin right now is open. There we go. Already in profit, guys. Already 5 bucks in profit. 1.6 bucks. Pushing it down like a madman. Nice, very nice. But there is no dodges up here. It will be fast. 4 hourly, 1 hour left to go. 1 hour left to go. This actually looks very, very bullish though. Very, very bullish. So we're gonna see. If you see any kind of pullback that's nice, something like that. KNC is pulling, ICP is pulling back nice. No, it was ANC pulling back nicely down down here. I mean, if this pulls down, you know, another, you know, 0.7% or something like that towards downside, this might be very, very nice long right off of these, you know, support lines up here. So we're gonna watch this thing up here. Let me double check up here. ENS USDT. It's 61. Yeah, that's the one. So if you do 10x, isolate, confirm, 100%, 1900, quantity, confirm, 600, max 600 per order. How much is 600 though? Limit. $600 times 8.6, 5,000. Boba Inu, 20 bucks. Hello, hello Boba. Unfortunately, you're a little bit late for the short though. Thanks for the 20 bucks. It's like 25. We gotta do this like several times up here. Quantity up short. Boba Inu for pets, 20 more. You think we should add that 20? Nah, we're not adding. The time ran out. We are already in position, so we're not gonna, you know, do the stuff up here. 3% up here on Bitcoin long. Bitcoin pushing down a little bit. That's nice. Ethereum. Sand is not pushing. Mana and Sand is not pushing down. Especially Mana is actually very bullish. Peter is dodge at the top up here. Take profits. What kind of profits, man? There are no profits. It's like 3%. It's not even $1. Yeah, Sam wants to go up. So this pullback up here, I mean, there was a pullback. We just, you know, we didn't catch the pullback though. We are too focused on everything else beside the pullback. But if you look at it, for example, on a 1 hourly chart, I mean, this definitely can pull back more. Like, look how nice these moving averages down here are. So nice, so nice. I think that it can definitely be more pullback though. I think that it definitely be more pullback. Not quite sure about, you know, mana and sand. Sand already did the pullback down, so there is no reason for that. Long boba. What's boba, man? Top crypto. I cannot long boba. It's not on Bybit. If it's on Bybit, I'll long boba. Okay. There is actually boba up here. How much X can you do on this thing? Only 12.5x. Boba USD. It's only 12.5 confirm. Isolated. Right, it was confirmed. 40 bucks. Open loan. There we go. We cross. No, I don't. It's us isolated. Isolated. Okay, man. Thanks for 40 bucks. It's going to long position on boba. Hope you're right. This is taking away, you know, this is taking away the stuff from the trade. So you know, let's keep on following in Bitcoin. Boba in a strong committee in Diamond's hands. Four hourly is the most interesting. What's gonna happen if this starts closing above the? So we call it right mate so far. I'm not quite sure about that, but we'll see. So far our our short position is up, but boba is down, guys. Boba is down. Unfortunately, we bought top of boba. There is also one boba, that is boba inu. 20 bucks. Boba inu. Is boba on Bybit the same as boba inu? I don't know, man. I don't know. But we long something. We long something. There you go. Maybe the pullback is coming right now. 1 hourly. Yeah, there was no doji up there, but yeah, we are definitely pulling back, so it's nice. Finally, nice pullback. Boba inu. Yeah, what is boba? It's probably some kind of S coin. It's not S coin. It's a low cost token. It's some kind of low cost token. Are we trade yet? No, we are not in a trade. It's just, you know, these scam trades. What's your opinion on Crotch coin? No opinion on that. Just exit liquidity, boba inu. Yeah, we added exit liquidity to boba inu. Boba is a good cat, loves help. And pay boba now. Boba's a good kid. I hope that boba stuff doesn't stick. Okay guys, chilled with the boba chat. I mean, spam is never good, guys. The spam is never good. Now let's continue. Weekly burn 2% dodge reflection based on kit. Set up by Billy. No clue what you just said. What's are coming as well? Great, at least you got your 60 bucks. Yeah, I'm gonna lose the 60 bucks though. I mean, they paid to, you know, they paid to spam the chat, so you know, it's okay. We should probably do like, you wanna spam my chat, 100 bucks every time. 5 bucks, 20 bucks on the Bitcoin short. Okay guys, shilling the boba stuff in the chat is no longer allowed. Ah, it's okay, they're gonna go away. But you know, technically we have a hedge against our position, right? So we got a long position and we are hedging our short position. We are hedging the short position with a long position on this thing over here, right? So technically we are hedging, right? Right now we are hedgers, guys. This is gonna take so long time. Right now it's nothing except like I'm true late adopter. Deep Shigal 42 bucks. Thanks, man. Appreciate it. What's heading? Okay, wait a minute. This looks Skynet hedging. Yeah. Bitcoin is not doing anything special. It's pulling back, but you know, I would like to pull back all the way to 1020 moving average down here. That's 1958 or something like that. How much more down is that? That's you know, 0.8% down, but right now it's hitting this. I don't think it can actually hold this right now, so I think it can go down to 1950 give or take. Ethereum is also pulling back. Can pull back more. Why am I just sitting there? 79.1 down here. We need to focus on our account, guys. We need to focus on our account. All of this, gambling in the middle, that needs to stop. So, you know, this is the last time we're gonna do, you know, 50 or 100x. We might do it another time when we are already in the trade, but not before we are in the trade, guys. So, you know, these gambling, you know, bets we won't do before we are actually in the trade. Drinking milk. Yes, I'm drinking milk. See 1 hour how this actually looks. This actually looks okay. Boba might actually pump. Nice. You go, Boba. You go, Boba. What Bitcoin to pump? Tricky wrap up. Blowing a year-long vacation for society. With small money with big leverage always. Nah. Not doing that. Big money with small leverage maybe. What's your target for sure? I don't have a target. This is just these are just, you know, super chat longs. This is like, you know, 40 bucks. Sorry, how much was this? 30 bucks or something like that. This is 40 bucks. This was 30 bucks. So, you know, just small trades. Yeah, the inmates are trying to my patience today. Be nice, be nice. You nice, they nice. You not nice, they not nice. You guys, you got to use your feminine instinct, you know, to calm them down. 70k target. It's going so slow, like literally we start the stream literally at when nothing is happening. I mean, the worst time to try to trade is when, you know, after a big move or something like that, because then you get into this, you know, that's the start of the consolidation phase or something like that, and then, you know, it just kind of kills the mood. You're doing better than me. ICP 4 hourly moves back quite a lot though. 1 hourly is still fall down. Can see still below the 20 moving average, not above it. And looks nice for a long down here. On the other hand, if it breaks everything on the downside, it's gonna be bad. This is pulling back, which is quite nice. 4 minutes left. For 2000 to 400. Oh, look at these dodges at top on by bit, man. But you know, this is not you know, this is very normal for bit. I mean, there is so little volume on this thing over here that, you know. What's up again? We need 6 bucks trading again. Yeah, we need 6 bucks trading again. It's gonna happen, guys. It's gonna happen. These are not doing anything. Bitcoin is not doing anything, just consolidating. There might be some kind of trend up here. Let's not let us up here. Maybe some kind of bull figure right now. It's, you know, down here, then it goes down here, and then it goes up, right? Maybe long shot, but you know, there's still that. Let's just remove all the lines up here. Let's go to the 15 time frame up here. I use this. Yeah, it looks like a consolidation up here. Bitcoin short 20% up. Nice. It's better, she's always turning 2k into 0. I hope your wife doesn't see that. I hope as well. It's not extend or anything like that, but you know, just kind of waiting here. needs something. Like, you cannot just go long on anything, right? It needs something. Any trade I can take now? Not right now. Not from what I see. Like, nothing like I would take right now. Money is make believe, wealth isn't. What's the best leverage you would suggest to me? I would just suggest, you know, doing TA until you can actually predict the moves, and then do buying and selling spot, because they, you know. Okay, we'll wait through that. Deep Seagull, TA Fans Club member, welcome to the club, man. Enjoy the green name, enjoy the emojis, enjoy the Telegram chat, man. There is a link in the community, under the community tab on the YouTube channel, so you'll find it there. Glad you joined, man, glad you joined. Sorry guys, sorry about the 15-20 minutes 5-minute break, but when mom calls, so there's that. Ooh, Ants finally hit the target down there. Now we need some kind of 5-minute, you know, bottom down there as well. ICP dropped big time. ICP is out of the question right now. It might be still in question, but you know, it does look bad, and you know, I'm already not, you know, fan of ICP, so there's that. So I think that is out of question right now. Bitcoin pulling back to the moving averages. 4 hourly is closing in 50 minutes. 50 minutes is gonna be very, very important close. If you can close above 10 moving average or not. Where is the 10 moving average? Up here? Right down there. So if you start closing below the moving average as well, it's gonna be bad. Boba. Literally not doing anything, just going sideways. Oh, Bitcoin dumping big time. 50 minutes left. Just barely holding up, you know, head above the water. Sand finally pulling a little bit back down. Maybe we should actually short everything, guys. Maybe we should short everything. Like sand is nice short up here, but you know, it's above the moving averages, stuff like that. So you know, but it is at the resistance, so there's that, you know. It does look stupidly bullish though. There's this, you know, this move up here. Adopter, no sound. There is sound now. There is sound now. Bitcoin on one-minute chart low. There was nice 5-minute candle down there. Still no volume hitting in. But all the lines are getting hit, all the support lines are getting hit. So Bitcoin is getting hit, you know, it's hitting the support line down there. Ethereum, Mana. All of these sand looks, you know, most bullish though. Short ETH 1085. There. I'm not quite sure about the shorts though. This breaking shot can't go at 1058, something like that. 12 minutes left. There's a huge divergence up here, but No, we're gonna long mana is down at 20 MA. 30 minutes. 30 minutes down here. 79, that'd be nice. How much down more can we go actually? That's 50% loss. Up here, that's like 15%. Then 20. 15%. ENS is the only one that actually is on the, on our, target. Let's 50% as well there. Let's see up here. Mark, thank you for being awesome. I'll look at the moon tonight and think about the whole TFN's club. Yeah, guys, look at the moon, guys. Look at the moon. Today is the biggest moon, guys. It is the biggest moon. I think this might be very nice. The pullback. We already had a pullback. 1 hour, 10 minutes left. Let's not do any unrash, rash decisions right now. Just wait a little bit more. The rock took excellent, looks nice. Excellent. It's not as bullish as some other coins down there, but definitely had this like XLM also has this 50 moving average, it needs, sorry, 20 moving, but it has bullish 4 hourly candle up here, no divergence on the chart, but there is no pullback, literally no pullback. Maybe if it pulls back into these moving averages up here, maybe it's gonna go up. It does look nice though. I'm gonna continue watching this though. Breaking down a little bit more, pulling down a little bit more, pulling to 50 MA, 9 minutes left. Bitcoin is hitting the support down there. What the 2 trades you have open? Just random gambling that people super chatted into the chat. There was somebody who was shilling boba in the chat, so he said go long on boba, and said if there is a boba on Bybit I will go long. There was something called boba, so we long that. Of course on the top. And we got a short on Bitcoin here, 44%. I'm gonna take profits on the short, guys. I'm gonna take profits on the short. It's not gambling. Mladen, are we gonna take profits on the short, or are we gonna let it go? No. Gotta tell you, man, if Bitcoin closes above 10 moving average up here right now in 8 minutes, Bitcoin down more. Look at stochastic. I'm not a fan of stochastic though. Pull down more, it can pull down more. Yes, TP. Take loss on boba or whatever. But boba is only 7% down, it's just going kind of sideways up here. I think boba can actually perform very nicely. Let's see up here. Yeah, it's got this dodgy candle on 1 hourly, 1 hourly above the 20 moving average, which is very nice. And the 4 hourly, I mean, it's still I don't have the RSI on this thing over here. RSI. Yeah, there is the yeah, there is double divergence up here, so we're gonna leave the boba trade open. Let's go then to the moon. Bitcoin, you say? Where does one get that? Watch my jump. What? Or do whatever you want to do. We're gonna see. We're gonna see. I think this has a little bit more room towards downside right now. Mana is going down into the area down here. Sand is still a long way away. There's so much downside to this up here if this actually goes down. Still don't have any kind of, you know, any kind of bad candle just right now. This is just, you know, .6 minutes left. The 4-hourly candle is gonna be very, very important. So it might be nice long. Still didn't break the trend. This here did break the trend. Because the upper trend is not broken yet. That is. Five minutes less. Last 5-minute candle, guys. Last 5-minute candle. Feeling sad and lonely, there is always later to make you happy. Yeah, why you pumped, short squeezed. Nah, no clue why you pumped. Probably some kind of new stuff. Might be. When everybody's bearish, it pumps. When everybody's bullish, it, you know. .04%. And 200 moving average. There is still no volume on this thing over here, but the volume kicked in, you know, way late up here. I mean, it did pump before that, so there is that. I don't think we can count on the volume on the 5-minute chart or anything like that. 3 minutes left. 4-hourly candle closes. That is okay. AP is doing okay on 4-hourly because above resistance up here. Sand doing fine. Got above the 10 moving average. Mana got the divergence on the chart. Bit slight pullback on the downside. ENS hit the target down here. Can't see ICP. ICP is out of the question right now. XRP, I don't know what's XRP looking for. Is that higher? Yeah, it is. Three minutes left. So I'm consolidating up here. Am I missing something up here? 100% up, 300% down today. Ouch. There's a good day indeed. We're still making lower lows and you're sure you want to long? Yeah. This over here played out. This over here played out downside. Right now on the downside, there is no divergence. So, and up here, right now we're creating this move towards the upside. So there will be no divergence on the top side either. It looks like it's gonna get bullish calls up here, not saying that much. We already had this, capitulation candle up here on this move. Or as some would say, institutional candle. 4 hourly closing above the 10 moving average, which is very, very bullish. 1 hour is down. And 1 minute left. I don't think I have balls to actually show long now. Oh, this is nice. Funds and ape. Team trade location since monetary system is a dying beast. First coins, all schemes to be honest. It's usually comes for no reason. There we go. We got a 4 hourly close. Sand close below the 220 moving average up here. Mana closed below the 10 moving average, but looks good. Ethereum closed above up here, which looks nice. Bitcoin closed above 10 moving average, which is very bullish. Bitcoin is the most important one, so everything is bullish right now. 5-minute chart up here. We're gonna see a little bit. Right now, we're gonna follow 5-minute charts up here. We might, because it's a 4 hourly, but we closed 4 hourly below 10 moving average up here. So might go a little bit down first to create a down week or something like that. Nah, I feel it's a little bit too scary to just put more down. More waiting. I'm going to push some FUD. I want to beat the pump. Bitcoin doesn't care, people don't care. It literally just goes so slowly, and I don't have any, beside pullback stuff like that. Like I don't have much on the charts. On the 4 hourly there is Sasha is going to make a lower high, which is bearish. No, it's not. It's not bearish. Ask the 8 ball. TA Club members chats only. I don't have a badge here in chat. Ask 8 ball. Not gonna ask 8 ball. I think we need to wait a little bit more. So much waiting, man. You see, this is why we should not have, you know, started the stream up here. This is just going sideways, you know, very, very. Next time we start a stream, it's gonna be because I see something that's gonna happen, and then we're gonna wait for that. You know, this, you know, is, you know, I'll just start stream and then we find something. Wait for confirmation. We're not waiting for confirmation, but it would be nice, you know, for something to, you know, to happen or something like that, that we see some kind of pattern or something like that. Because this pattern over here, like, says like, oh man, short, but you know, it's not actually technically short. This over here says long, but you know, maybe we are waiting a little bit too long. Maybe we are waiting a little bit too long. You know, there's that. But you know, this move to the downside down here is like right now 0.80%. Sorry, 8% down. Bitcoin is still pushing down. 5-minute chart. Amazon looking bullish. I gave you that. It's good to have you with us. We enjoy your presence. Maybe we should just watch the 5-minute chart in Bitcoin until something, you know, some big event happens on Bitcoin. Then we can do something about that. But I am pretty hungry, guys. I gotta tell you that I haven't eaten in a long time. So 6 minutes left. 4, 3, 2, 1. It's okay. I mean, it's good. You know what? This is very boring right now because we are waiting for the pullback, and the pullback might take, you know, an hour or two or stuff like that. So, as you saw, I've been yawning a whole bunch of time. So let's see our positions up here on Boba. How's Boba doing? Boba is down 8%. Nothing is happening with Boba. This is down up 43%. So we're gonna close the positions up here, and we're gonna stop the stream because it's just taking way too long time. We've been streaming right now for 3 hours and nothing has happened. It's just been going sideways. Like literally been streaming for 3 hours. Right up here we start streaming at 7 o'clock, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah, like right after the pump up here. We've been streaming entire part up here. I mean, something's gonna happen right now very soon, but yeah, but you know. Told you a good trade. So remind me next time to never start a stream after a pump or a dump. Let's start a stream after it's been consolidating for 2 hours or 5 hours or 6 hours. The endurance quota. So you know we've been waiting and waiting and waiting and waiting, and you know it just kind of, you know, painful up here. Sand moving a little bit more down, this moving a little bit more down. No, not sure about it. Need some trigger finger exercise. Yeah, definitely that. But yeah, also, you know, we want to find something. And you know, right now everything, you know, pump too much right now. You know how much the pullback is gonna be. It's all kind of, you know, kind of gambling situation because there are not, you know, clear patterns. The only clear pattern we have right now. You know, we got some kind of expanding wedge up here that we are hitting, you know, the middle support up here. I mean, the best case scenario will be down here, of course, but we are not there right now. So we are hoping that this is gonna hold for some reason and we're gonna go up, right? On bit, you know, we are hoping again, we are not on some kind of bottom down here, but we are hoping that, you know, somewhere up here there will be some kind of support. Altcoin as well, over here. We are not buying the bottom down here. We are buying, you know, right now retest up here towards the upside in some kind of rising wedge, which is kind of a little bit bearish, right? Over here, sand is right now, you know, we are hoping for a pullback so we can, you know, maybe just maybe break the resistance towards the upside. Man as well, we're hoping for a pullback so we can buy the buy the support and break the resistance. Ethereum goes also down here very nicely on the moving averages, right? But you know, it's all this. It's all of this, you know, pullback stuff happening right now. And we might be very, very close to a breakout or something right now, right? But how long that's gonna take? 1 more hour, 2 more hours? I don't know how long we're gonna stream. I want $40 back now. I'm Matix 054. Better safe than sorry. Anyways, guys, but we are gonna close these positions over here. Boba confirm 100% close, and this one confirm 100% close. So I don't want to have them open and just liquidate positions because reasons, whatever. It's up like 10 bucks or something like that. Breakdown income. It might be breakdown income, but we are not shorting from the top up here. We are not shorting, and if it starts breaking down, there is no trade until we find something else, and this can take for, you know, hours and hours, you know, to play out. You know, we are not just gonna short a breakout or anything like that stupid, right? So I just don't see it right now, and especially this move up here, it can take for a long time. It can take a long time, especially on this 5 minutes up here. It go a little bit up here, slowly go down. I mean, this can, you know, I'm not watching the charts for another, you know, 3 hours for nothing, right? So not much is happening. We started the stream at the wrong time, so there is that. Anyways, guys, thanks for super chats. It was fun. We want to be doing any more 50 and 100x trades. I think it takes a little bit of focus away from the trading. And besides that, you know, we're gonna see if we find some, you know, new trades tomorrow or something like that. But yeah, it might pop, might dump, but you know, we just, you know, we didn't catch it on the bottom, and I have been looking at the bottom down here today, and I thought, oh man, this move on downside the 4 hourly looks very nice. This can actually be longed, right? And you know, but we didn't start the stream down there, right? And on this move towards the upside right now, I just hope Humility is gonna go up, but this can take time, guys. This can take very long time, so we are not waiting for that. You do 150x. Now we can make the rule that, you know, the only time we're gonna do 50x and something like that if we are already in position with a stop loss, and then we can, you know, focus on something else, so we can have some move. Okay, guys, that said, join KuCoin, guys, and I'll see you tomorrow. Okay, bye bye, and hit the like button on the way out. Bye bye.